Have you ever wondered how these small ideas turn into million-dollar businesses? Or how these young entrepreneurs pitch their dream projects to the investor to get the instant funding? So, if you haven't watched Shark Tank India yet, you are missing out on a treasure of business knowledge, inspiration, motivation, life lesson, and many more. But why should you watch it? Let's find out in this video. So, Shark Tank India is not just another reality show to watch on television, but it's a platform where entrepreneurs come up with their business ideas or ongoing business to pitch their ideas to a panel of investors, also known as sharks. So these sharks are successful business tycoons in India. They are running unicorn businesses. So they listen to the entrepreneurs and their business ideas. They analyze the idea and decide whether they have to invest on that business or not. So now let me tell you 4 pointers why you should watch Shark Tank India. Number 1, learning business and financial skills. Even if you're not an entrepreneur, Shark Tank India teaches important business lessons to you. You get to know about investment, equity, valuation of the company, and how these businesses scale up in the market. And the best part is, everything is explained in a way that even a beginner can understand those terms very easily. Number 2, motivation for aspiring entrepreneurs. Watching young entrepreneurs pitching their business ideas to turn them into reality in front of such business tycoons is truly inspiring. It motivates you to think big, take risks, and get started. Many of them started from scratch like you and me, and today they are running successful businesses. And sometimes even you can relate with their stories, challenges, struggles, so it's truly inspiring and motivating. Point number 3, understanding investor mindset. So if you ever plan to start a business, this show will help you to understand investor mindset. What investors think before investing in your businesses? What makes an idea investable? What are the red flags? And how they analyze your complete idea, complete business structure to find out how they can be benefited and what are the contributions they have to make into the business. So by watching the show Shark Tank, you'll be able to prepare yourself before meeting to the investors. You'll get to know like what kind of questions they can put across and what are the challenges you might can face in the pitching process. So this is all you can learn from Shark Tank India. Point number 4, unique and innovative startups. The show features some of the most innovative and some of the out of the box business ideas. From sustainable products to tech-driven solutions, you will see how these Indian entrepreneurs are experimenting day by day and making it a revolution of startups. So whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just curious about knowing the business and finances, Shark Tank show is a must-watch for you. This show has everything. It's educational, entertaining, informative, and it might even spark your own startup idea. Isn't it great? So have you ever watched Shark Tank India? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you haven't, I would highly recommend you should watch it because Shark Tank season 4 is already live. Their episodes are live on YouTube and as well as Sony Live, so you can watch it anywhere. And if you have ever watched Shark Tank India, just do let me know in the comment section what lesson you have learned from the show. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. So hit the like button and share it with your friends and family who has a great interest in the businesses. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for more amazing and informative content like this. I'll see you in my next one, and till then, take care.